Are you bored of taking traditional online training that uses the PowerPoint presentation? But not anymore. We are happy to announce that iPint has launched its flagship course on aircraft maintenance management, Level 1. This course includes interactive learning.
What is initial airworthiness? Let us understand about initial airworthiness. As an aircraft is designed and manufactured,
Unique information.
in November 2021, the global aviation MRO industry is projected to reach up to 117.
Get guidance from industry veterans.
The Asian airline industry is likely to experience robust growth, fueled by economic development, increased travel demand.
Get ISO certified certificates and digital badges from Credly. Hurry up! Scan the QR code or visit the website today and enroll for the course. The 80% discount is for a limited time. Happy learning!